October 1st, Nigeria will be 60.
And I am mumu I too much to be mumu. You think say they wise? And I am mumu I too much to be mumu. You think say they wise? And I am mumu I too much to be mumu. You think say they wise?
O you men of little understanding, don't you know that thing cannot be moved except you team up? Or don't you know there is power in unity? Now, my dear brothers, come together in oneness, unity, and love. Then you can certainly move it forward. Now can you see that we don't need strength, money and fame to move this country forward, but all we need is unity and love. All you brothers, unite and make Nigeria greater.
Nigerians, Hausas, Yorubas, Igbos, and others that are not mentioned. The progress of these countries lies with us. Nigeria belongs to us all. And to move this country forward, let's unite and lift Nigeria to a greater height. Because Nigeria is our home. Nigeria is our fatherland. Nigeria is our origin. And together we can make this great achievement. Happy Independence.